Hey guys, so right now you guys, we are just going to make some lunch this afternoon, you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe to my other channels. I don't know what I'm gonna have. I'm fairly starving, really starving, but I really want something different than other stuff that I always have. So I'm having pudding. Chocolate pudding. Let's you get. I don't know what other things I'm gonna have, you guys. It's sometimes hard to decide what I'm gonna have. Some stuff is so challenging to think of what I'm gonna have. So I'll talk to you guys when I've decided.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. It's Go Dogs for One.
So right now, you guys, I'm gonna make some salad up. So right now, you guys, I'm just cutting up rutabaga. That's what I do. So that's what I'm gonna do. Cut up a rutabaga for lunch. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done cutting up the rutabaga. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. So we can go to the It's time for mashing! Yes, it is time for mashing my, if I can find it. Wherever my masher is. There it is. So it's time to mash the turnip, you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I mash it. There's the rutabaga turnip, you guys. It looks so good. So right now, you guys, I'm just heading to work, so that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I'll talk to you guys then. So I just got to work, so I'll talk to you guys when I am done work. So I just got done work, so now I'm just doing a little bit of shopping because I have to get some stuff, so I will talk to you guys when I am done shopping. So I just got back and I am testing out the new, kind of new to me, but it looks brand new. It was not even in the package, but somebody bought it, and it's brand new from the package. It's the sandwich maker, which was on the bench, and honestly, no one was there, so it's like, okay, pick it up time. So it looks brand new, but there's a little scratches, but that's okay, you guys. We can deal with it. So let's make some peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Let's do it, you guys. Look at that, you guys. Look. Look at that, you guys. It looks so good. Oh, I can't wait to try it. So the kinds that we made were pear, and we had some grape jelly. So that's what we are doing. We have it's all set up. Okay, look at that, you guys. Looks so good again. Because I made another batch. Because I'm gonna start maybe using this more often now on. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. Making some PB&J. And make sure I clean it when it's hot, because it's nice and clean. when I use it next time. So that's what we are doing. So I'm just cleaning to make sure it's nice and clean. Because then we don't have any... Smells good. So that's what I'm doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I'm done eating my sandwiches. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do with that sandwich maker. Like, I can make anything. I have lots of lots of stuff that we can use. Because look how much supplies I have down there. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys do, give it a big thumbs up. And tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do. So, goodbye.